What is faith in Islam? Is it only belief in the heart, or does it also include actions? And most importantly, does faith increase and decrease? In this video, we will explore an authentic explanation from the Qur'an, Hadith, and the understanding of the companions of Prophet Muhammad. 1. Islam is built on 5 pillars. The Prophet Muhammad said, Islam is built upon 5 pillars. These pillars are testifying that there is no God but Allah, establishing prayer, giving charity, zakah, fasting in Ramadan, performing Hajj if one is able. But scholars explain that these pillars are the foundation, not the entire structure of faith. 2. What is faith, Iman, in Islam? According to Allah's Sunnah, faith consists of belief in the heart, declaration by the tongue, and actions by the limbs. This means, faith is not only belief, faith is not only words, faith must appear in actions. And because actions change, faith also increases and decreases. 3. Quranic proof, faith increases. Allah clearly tells us in the Qur'an that faith increases, so that they may increase in faith along with their faith. Surah Al-Fath 48:4. And we increased them in guidance. Surah Al-Kahf 18:13. Allah increases those who are guided in guidance. Surah Maryam 19:76. As for those who believe, it increases them in faith. Surah At-Tawbah 9:124. These verses prove that faith is not fixed, it grows with obedience and knowledge. 4. Faith grows in difficult times. When believers were warned about enemies, the Quran says, this only increased them in faith, and they said, Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of affairs. Surah Al-Imran 3:173. True believers become stronger in faith during trials, not weaker. 5. Love and hate for Allah is part of faith. The Prophet said, to love for the sake of Allah and to hate for the sake of Allah is part of faith. Abu Dawood. Faith is not just rituals, it also includes the emotions and intentions of the heart. 6. Statement of Umar ibn Abdul Aziz. The great Caliph Umar ibn Abdul Aziz wrote, faith includes obligations, beliefs, limits, and recommended acts. Who fulfills them has perfected his faith, and whoever falls short has incomplete faith. This shows that faith has levels and degrees. 7. Faith can be strengthened. Prophet Abraham said, but so that my heart may be at ease. Quran 2:260. This was not doubt, but a desire for higher certainty. Companion Mu'adh ibn Jabal used to say, come, let us sit together and increase our faith for a while. Faith grows through knowledge, reflection, good deeds, remembering Allah. Conclusion. So we learn, white heavy checkmark faith includes belief, words, and actions. White heavy checkmark faith increases with obedience. White heavy checkmark faith decreases with sins. White heavy checkmark this is the belief of the Quran, the Prophet, and his companions. Let us work every day to strengthen our faith through sincerity, knowledge, and good deeds. If you found this video beneficial, thumbs up, like the video. Speech balloon, share your thoughts in the comments. Bell subscribe for authentic Islamic knowledge. May Allah increase us all in faith. Ameen.